Okay, so we now have the location of the center of mass. We would be able to click on the mass button and mass properties button and find out what the weight is. And but again, I haven't put in all the correct weights yet. And the other thing is, these are kind of too close. In other words, we want to be able to see if we can get this robot to tip at different angles here. So right now the center of mass is, pretty much between the two wheels here. So what I'm going to have you do is actually attach a motor, put this arm out straight. So in other words, you're going to want to move the robot arm here so it's out straight, and then um, actually I just want to show you, if you want to turn off that sketch, by the way, you can just go down to here. Actually, I have to complete the sketch first, so I'll just get out of that for now. Okay, so if I don't want to see that right now, I can just right click on it, and where's the eyeball? Let's try that again. Click. Okay, third time's the charm. Click on it. Oh, there's the eyeball right there. Hide. Okay, so now that's gone. And I can hide the center mass symbol if I want there too. But anyways, so what we want to do is get one of these motors. Okay, so just turn my face filter on. So now if I just hold down the control key, I should be able to, whoops, try it again. All right, I think the problem I'm having is the motors is, in this context, is part of an assembly. So let me just see if I can grab it from here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got it from the tree, and so now what I need to do is just get a couple of screws and attach this motor, right? We'll just bring this over. We want to attach that motor to those screws, and like I said, put the arm straight out, and that's the way we're going to the configuration we're going to do the lab in. So, the motor hanging out there is going to shift the center of mass towards the rear of the robot, make it a little more interesting in terms of our stability calculations. So anyways, so that's what you need to do. Make sure all the parts are assigned the correct materials or the correct weights. Get the robot constrained to the top, front, and right side planes of the overall assembly, so that when we measure stuff, we're all measuring from the same reference frame. And then put that motor on the end of the arm and put that in the horizontal position, and then you should be all set for what we want to do for Lab 3.